What's up guys, Enzo here of Yugatech, and Infinix already launched the Hot 10S in the Philippines last June 14th. It's a solid gaming ready device with a 6.82-inch 90Hz refresh rate display, Helio G85 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and a whopping 6000 mAh battery. That configuration makes it good enough to play popular games such as Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So to serve fans of the game, Infinix joined forces with Mobile Legends to create a limited edition Hot 10S Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want to know more about this device, just keep on watching. Before we dive in, let's see what's inside of the box. The packaging got some redesign and features chew on the front, so for you Cho mains, this is a treat. Lifting up the lid, we're greeted with the phone right away with its key specs shown on it. Let's remove it and set it aside first. Then in this small and black box, we have the SIM ejector tool, a hard clear case, a free screen protector, the manuals and warranty in the dollar bill inspired design. Meanwhile, other things in the box are the charging brick and the micro USB cable. Yes, a micro USB cable. Can't have everything. Now, let's talk about the design. Take note that the Infinix Hot 10S Mobile Legends Bang Bang Edition has the same specs of the standard 10S, but with some cool design changes. The unit that we have in hand is the black model and features the same diamond pattern, but with the Mobile Legends Bang Bang logo and the word Legendary etched along in the Infinix logo. It's a subtle design change, and basically that's all the Mobile Legends you're going to get on this device. There's no word though if it will come in other colors. Also at the back, we have the camera module, the LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner. For the buttons and ports on the right side, we have the power or lock and the volume rockers, while on the left side, we have the card tray and the nano SIM cards and the micro SD card. Located at the bottom is the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, micro USB port, and loudspeaker. Checking out its display, it features a 6.82-inch screen with HD Plus resolution. It's a decent resolution even with its size. There's an IPS panel for natural colors and good viewing angles. What most people will like is the 90Hz refresh rate for the smooth animations and transitions. For the main cameras, the main shooter utilizes a 48-megapixel main sensor, 2-megapixel depth camera, and the third AI lens. Now, check out some quick sample shots that we got. When it comes to the internals, you get a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, 6GB of RAM, 128 of storage, and 6000 mAh battery. For the software, it comes with Android 11 skinned with XOS 7 on top. There's no Mobile Legends custom wallpaper or themes here, which we would appreciate if Infinix took some more effort in order to give Mobile Legends Bang Bang fans a better experience. If you want to see how the Infinix Hot 10S performs, we'll link a video review in the description box below. So, what do you guys think about this phone? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. It's your boy Enzo, and stay safe.